and truth never lies. Widow sons, we wear the crest, Ontario bound with honor's test. Freemason heart in the open air, brotherhood strong beyond compare. Respect and loyalty in every turn, roads we travel, lessons we learn. Brothers without border, steel and flame, bound by the craft, not by name. Motorcycle thunder across the land, with the grip of respect, hand in hand. From the lodge to the highway roar, freedom's banner forevermore. Leather and light under the stars, the journey's written in the scars. Winds of Canada guide our ride, no walls, no lines, we won't divide. Truth and honor in every mind, little sons with a knowing smile. Brothers without border, steel and flame, bound by the craft, not by name. Motorcycle thunder across the land, with the grip of respect, hand in hand. Hand in hand. From the lodge to the highway roar, freedom's banner forevermore. Leather and light under the stars, the journey's written in the scars.